Ubalula izinto eziwu-2. Ibullying, ubalula nokuthi abazali bakho bakushiya at the age of 6 months.
Yeah.
Uyathanda mhlampe usivulela nje kancane usiphe a sneak preview and let us into your world ukuthi kwenzakalani baze bakushiye at the age of 6 months bekushiya e-Underberg ubuza le Eastern Cape, nokuthi mhlampe uma ungasi-highlight-ela ukuthi le bullying okhuluma ngayo, was it part of the hardships that you experienced growing up?
Well, I don't have much story ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuthi bangishiya ngina 6 months, but all I knew ukuthi nje uma ungizalayo wafika wangishiya wathi usayofuna umsebenzi, waloku ebuya ezongibona, and then up until like she never came back. Sathola i-call sengiqala grade 1 2 seshonile usengcwatshiwe. I mean, that was pointless, but I cried anyway, but I didn't know what I'm crying for.
You didn't have a relationship with her?
I never seen her. I've never seen her. I've never met her. I've never met my father, my real father. So esikoleni like angifunda ukukhuluma kabi ngabantu abamaZulu, but it was because of my hair and everything. Babengicwasa basically ukuthi wena why unenwele kanje, ngabe uzalwa ngale, you know, like angisafuni usho singake, but yeah. And then family wise, I won't lie, uma wangikholisa, like she treated me like an egg.